Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to back up your website on Godaddy. First, log into your account. Then, on the top right corner, click on your name and from the options, go and select My Products. Now for here, you'll see a list of your products, so go and select on the one that you want to create a backup. Once inside the site dashboard, on the right side, click on this Edit Website button. Now, once inside the editor, on the right panel, go to its settings, then here, go to your site history. Now, you will see the different versions of your website. Now, if you want to create a backup on your current website version, what you need to do is to just simply click on this Create Backup button, and then you will see now that a backup on your current website version is created, and you can go ahead and restore it if you'd like to, as well as the other versions of your website. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a backup on your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.